Down. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I want to talk to you with the problems at Steam's right now. So I know that many users reported some problems at Steam. So if you go to Google and then if you type in Steam down, and then if you go to down detector, if you scroll down you will see that at this hour there are over 2000 reported problems. And then if we scroll down, most problems are reported to the server connection, to login, and only 3% to download. And then if we scroll down, we can see some comments right here. Slow connection. Some say that it's back, some say that it's still down. So yeah, you are not the only one who has this problem. You don't have to worry because Steam will solve this problem as soon as possible. So if you too have this kind of problem, you can comment down below your thoughts and your questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.